Welcome to Design My Home Essay, where we turn your home dreams into reality. I'm Jennifer, and I'll be your guide as we explore stunning designs and innovative solutions for creating the perfect home. Our team specializes in crafting unique, functional spaces that reflect your personal style and needs. Today, I'm excited to present one of our latest creations, the breathtaking Tuscan Green Home. This elegant property combines the timeless charm of Tuscan architecture with modern design and practicality. Whether you're looking for a spacious family home or a cozy retreat, this home is designed with every detail in mind to ensure comfort, functionality, and beauty.
One of the key features is its three distinct entrances. The main entrance opens up into a spacious living room, ideal for family gatherings and relaxation. The second entrance, located at the back of the house, provides access through the kitchen, perfect for quick and easy access when bringing in groceries or stepping out to enjoy the backyard. Finally, the third entrance is a convenient garage door, directly leading to the double garage for parking or storage. Inside, the house is designed to create a sense of openness and flow. The open-plan kitchen, dining, and living area is the heart of the home. The kitchen is equipped with modern finishes and ample storage, ideal for preparing meals while still being connected to the rest of the family in the dining and living space. Adjacent to the kitchen and dining room is a small office, providing a quiet space for work or study. As you walk down the hallway to the left, you'll find the master bedroom, a luxurious retreat with a serene view of the yard. The right side of the hallway leads to the children's wing of the house, where family comfort and functionality continue. A shared bathroom is conveniently located between the bedrooms for easy access. There are 3 bedrooms designed for the children, each providing space for creativity and rest. Moving further down the corridor, you'll find the kids' TV room, a space specifically designed for entertainment and play. This cozy area is perfect for family movie nights or for the kids to relax after school. To the left of the corridor, there's a laundry room, spacious enough to handle the needs of a busy household. Beyond the laundry room is a small studio, which can be used as a creative workspace. The studio provides access to the double garage, where there is ample space for parking 2 vehicles, along with extra storage for tools or outdoor equipment. One of the standout features of this home is the dedicated children's play yard. Accessible from the studio, this outdoor space is designed to be a safe, fun area for kids to run around, explore, and enjoy outdoor activities. Whether it's for playtime or family picnics, this yard offers plenty of room for all.
That wraps up our tour of the stunning Tuscan Green Home. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into how we at Design My Home SA bring our clients' dream homes to life. From the spacious layout to the thoughtful details, every inch of this home is designed with comfort and functionality in mind. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you're inspired by what you've seen or have any ideas for your future home, don't hesitate to reach out. We love hearing your thoughts and working with you to create spaces that truly reflect your vision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new design reveal. I'm Jennifer, and on behalf of the whole Design My Home SA team, thank you for watching. See you next time.